morning. So I've got some stuff to do with the glampsite, but I got the kids with me and they wanted to go see airplanes. So we're at the North Carolina Aviation Museum and Hall of Fame, which is at the Asheboro Regional Airport. It's like up on top of the mountain. So let's go see what's in the airport. I mean, the museum. The real ones? They're out there in the hangar, which we're about to go out.
But they don't look big enough to put people in.
Yeah, you'll see.
Dad. Hey, Dad, let my sticker down. Airplane stick. Can we buy this?
No, Jenny, come on.
Daddy, that also shows that blue one. Do you take me to that blue one?
In a minute, little girl. You happy?
Yeah, so excited.
Say cheese, Jenny. What's back behind the seats?
Cheese. Guess that's just for storage.
Yeah.
Okay, look at that. P50.
Okay, so we made it to the glampsite from the museum, which was cool. But as you can see here, you see this? You see? It's it's mildewy in here, especially up top there. Like, I treated this. 2 coats of Nick wax on the inside, 2 coats of Nick wax on the outside. Before I put this tent up, I put it up in August. End of July. So it's been up 7-8 months now, which, you know, it's canvas. It says it's not protected against mildew. I thought that putting the Nick wax up there would help alleviate it, which I think it did, but you can still see this mildew on the inside. And my cleaner came 2 days in a row with mold and mildew remover and then bleach and tried to get this clean. Like, it feels clean. It smells clean in here. It looks dingy, right? Like, it's dingy. I did clean the outside, which I'm charging the battery. That's why you hear the generator. Outside looks pretty good. It's pretty good. I actually scrubbed it with a scrub brush. It's hard to scrub the inside. Anywho, I'm going to. Sorry about the focus. I'm going to take this whole thing off the bottom because it unzips all the way around. I'm gonna take this top off, and I have a new tent. I'm just gonna put the top back on. That way I can leave all my furniture and everything inside and put it back up. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do now. Let's see how long it takes me. All right, so I got the center post out and the front support. Say hi, girls.
Hi. Hi.
They're helping. They're helping a lot. But yeah, you can see, like, up here on the top where I couldn't reach with the scrub brush, how mildewy it is. And like, I can't keep that off. I think I'm gonna try like a marine grade. I don't know. Listen, if any of you guys know what I should use on this tent, please let me know in the comments, because my plan from this point forward is just to take this top and switch it out with the other one every time it gets dirty. I can't find anything on the internet about it, so it is what it is. But like, I gotta get it fixed. What, baby? Can I put you on the chair? Yeah, I'll put you on the chair. Okay, now I have a outdoor camping experience. I took the tent top down, it's over there, and it's mildewy on the inside. I figure out how to keep that from happening, but now I actually have a outdoor space. What ifs? I'm gonna put the other tent up here. Hey, y'all, please stop messing with stuff while I'm trying to do this. I will take a picture of you. Just give me a second. Aspen, you laying outside under the sun? Yeah, yeah, so now it's an outdoor space. Yeah, don't get your shoes on the bed, Aspen. All right, so I got some visitors out here. Billy Hagee from 12 Stones Adventures on YouTube page is out here. He's gonna do a little video tour of the glampsite as soon as I get this tent up. I've got half of it up. I just have to zip up this other half over here. It's coming up pretty good, not too hard. Okay, so I'm done. Done. I got the new tent on. Check it out. It's nice and clean, brand new tent on the top anyway. Brand new tent. Got the outdoor kitchen open. I was giving a little tour of the glampsite to my friend Billy Hagee from 12 Stones Adventures on YouTube. Sorry, he's also on Facebook. He does a lot of stuff around here in the Uwaris. But let's run through and do a little tour real quick since we got everything open. So we have our Royal Gourmet adjustable deck height smoker / grill. So you can actually smoke a brisket in here, control the airflow. There's a little vent in the side down here. But when you're actually cooking on this and grilling, you can move the fire deck up to sear things midway or all the way down to slow cook them, and you can add your tender here in the front. It's a really nice grill. I like it. Works really well. Wasn't crazy expensive. And then our full outdoor kitchen. So we've got our sink, wash bin. Just put some water in here. You have 5 gallons of fresh water. We've got our Camp Chef Deluxe oven and stove, so you can cook in it. 2 burners. Our Pit Boss flat top griddle. Pizzello 12-inch deck pizza oven. In the back side, it's got a little firebox. You put your tender in the firebox and set it in there. You can add more tender in the top window. Smoke comes out there. We've got our Karatuck cooler. Yeah, so you hear those gunshots? Don't worry. The sheriff's office actually has a shooting range across the street from here. They fire into the hill. Not this way, they fire that way. But yeah, they're out here every once in a while. You hear gunshots, like a lot of gunshots. That's just the sheriff's department. So don't think that you're unsafe. You're actually super safe because they're right over there. We've got our outdoor shower by Camplux. Camplux outdoor on-demand water heater, propane powered. I got a little battery in there that's hooked to a solar tender charger, a little inline filter, and a pump to pump the water. It's all disconnected right now because it gets really cold at night and it freezes up, and that thing can bust open when it freezes. Ask me how I know. And then that's fed by this 55-gallon rain catch barrel, which comes off of the roof right there. We've got these nice little tents under here that your kids or you can hang out in and play, and there's little lights in there. It's pretty cool, especially at night. Got our solar powered lights out here. We've got solar powered lights over there at the kitchen. We've got our hanging net hammocks, swings. We've got a zip line out here, so you can zip line from here all the way up to that tree right there, about 75 foot. Up here on the balcony, you've got this nice outdoor couch, sofa lounge. We've got solar lights up here too. We've got an outdoor heater just in case it gets cold. It runs off 1 pound propane tank, so we've got a little nook here. You have coffee, wine, beer, whatever you like. There is a great view of the reservoir, which you can see off in the distance right there. It's actually closer to my eyeballs than it is to this camera. It's a great view in the late fall, winter, and early spring. Down there is our fire deck where you can hang out with you and 5 of your friends, family members, and roast marshmallows over top of the fire pit. Propane powered. This is our 16.5 foot canvas bell tent, which by the way right now is brand spanking new. On the inside we've got nice carpet. We've got our Big Buddy by Mr. Heater for the winter time when it gets cold. This heats the whole tent up on high. Put it on medium, it keeps the tent nice and warm. whole night you're sleeping, even when it's down in the 20s. We've got oscillating tower fan, so in case the breeze isn't blowing like it is today, you can have breeze come through. Just have it pull through with the fan. Hooked up to our EcoFlow River Pro batteries, which is the expansion battery pack, which is 1200 watts. That's enough power to power a refrigerator for like 4 or 5 hours, 60-inch TV for like 10 hours, or recharge your laptop like 20 times. It's recharged by solar, or there's a generator outside that you can plug it up to if you want to top it off real quick. We've got our Icy Breeze portable AC, runs off of water, ice, and power. It is not a swamp cooler, it's an actual cooler, actual AC. Has a heat exchange, uses cold water as a refrigerant, and blows air out the vent there just as hard and cold as the AC in your car. We got our camp lights out here. We've got nice little wine lights. We've got lights here that go up and down this, which are nice. We've got our Makita battery powered coffee maker if you don't want to use the percolator that's outside. We've got Jumanji, checkers, a couple other games to play. There is a first aid kit in there, and there is some paper towels, toilet paper, and some coffee for the coffee maker. Also, there's a fire extinguisher over there. There's a fire extinguisher out at the outdoor kitchen, and there's a fire extinguisher down at the fire pit, just so you're safe. We've got our nice love seat here, little footrest, tabletop, another fan to blow air on your face at night, memory foam, queen size mattress with full linen set. We've got carbon monoxide filter right there, not filter, carbon monoxide and smoke detector alarm that'll go off. That heater is designed for inside tents, so it does not create carbon monoxide, so you are safe. In the fall, the winter, summer, you can open up these windows, let the breeze blow through. If you get too chilly, zip the windows back up. Also keeps the bugs out. Zip this up, keep the bugs out. If it gets too cold, close the front flaps and the heater on, and you're nice and toasty. Like I said, the heater is propane powered. You can see our shower down there. It's fed from this rain barrel right here. And it's cool. It's a vibe, so they say. But yeah, we got a brand new tent. It's not all dingy on the inside. You can see it looks brand spanking new. I just have to figure out how to keep the mold and mildew off of this one. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments how to fix this. I've got some marine grade mildew treatment that I'm gonna put on it. Hopefully that helps. If not, then I'll just have to switch these tops out every 6 months or so. Take them home and clean them, and then bring them back up here every 6 months or so. But as you can see, glamping is great when you're the person that's doing it. It's actual work when you're the one that's curating it. I don't mind, I love it. I just want everybody else to see and know what's involved in glamping, how much detail goes into it, and how much work there is behind it. But also that is very, very enjoyable. So thanks for watching. I'll put a link to 12 Stone Adventures video that they did tour of the glamp site. Whenever they get that up, it'll be in a link will be in the description below. Go check out their page. Continue to check out my page. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.